Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix notification not working on iPhone. Enable notification for apps. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have enable notification for app. The first thing you need to do is check the notification setting on your for the apps and ensure that are not disabled. How to do it. So open the setting, uh, then your iPhone, then you scroll which notification are not working. So you have click on notification. Any apps is not working when this app beauty camera CapCut, when you have click here and then allow notification while this any app not working on the app. So you have choose from here and allow notification from here. Then second solution, you have disabled focus mode. Focus mode is useful features that alerts your silence calls and notification on your iPhone. You need ensure that you have not enabled focus mode by accident. Swipe down from the top right corner of screen to bring the up control center. Tap the crescent moon icon. Disable the focus mode. So you have opened the control center, click on focus mode, do not disturb mode on, and then you have click on, then go back from off. Turn off notification summary. Notification summary is the feature that can prevent certain apps from displaying notification or not working properly. Notification right away. This way lead you believe that your iPhone notification are not working, hence it is best to disable these features. So you have open the setting, click on notification, click on schedule summary. So I have already turned off, then you must be turned off on your iPhone. Then fourth solution, you have force restart your iPhone. Another reasons where you might not be receiving notification on your iPhone is due to temporary glitches with iOS. In some cases you may not get notification from your apps unless you open them on your iPhone. To resolve such issues, you can try force restarting your iPhone using this step. Press the volume up, volume down, press the power button. When you see a pair Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. The last solution, you have installed iOS update. If you have not updated your iPhone in a while, now might be a good time to do so. It is possible that apps are failing to display a notification due to completely issue or packed within iOS. If that's case, updating or never blood should help. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest solution is available on your iPhone, so must be installed on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.